Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a right angle triangle. The base of this triangle is 6 unit and the height of this triangle is 8 unit. And there is a perpendicular line from this vertex to this hypotenuse. We have to find the length of this perpendicular line. Consider this as A, this point as B, and this as C, and this point as D. So look at this large triangle. This AB, this is 8, and BC, this is 6. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of this AC. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Or now substituting the value of AB and BC, we will get the value of AC. So AC square is equal to the length of AB, this is 8. So 8 square plus BC, this is 6, and 6 square. Or this AC square is equal to 8 square is 64 plus 6 square, this is 36. Or AC square is equal to 64 plus 36, this is 100. And taking a square root to both sides, we will get the value of AC is equal to square root of 100, this is 10. So this hypotenuse is 10 unit. Now the area of this triangle ABC, when BC is base and AB is height, we will get the area is equal to half times base BC and height, this is AB. So AB, and the area of this triangle when AC is base and BD is height, then the area of this triangle will be half times base, this is AC. So AC times height is BD. And both are same triangle ABC. So these two will be same. So we can write half times BC times AB. So BC times AB, this will be this half times AC times BD. Or this half from both sides will cancel, and substituting this known value, the value of BC is 6 times AB, this is 8, is equal to AC. We have found the value of AC is equal to 10 times BD. This value we are there to find. So this is BD. Or 6 times 8, this is 48 is equal to 10 times BD, and divided both side by 10, we will get the value of VD is equal to 48 divided by 10 is 4.8, and this is the value of this BD. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.